My name is Dr. Power, Ghana Youth President. My fellow Africans, fellow Ghanaians, Ghana must work, Africa must work. And that is the reason why you and I are gathered here today to listen to the voice of the youth. I want to say a very big thank you for respecting our invitation so that the world can hear what we, the youth of Africa and in Ghana, have to say. I want to use this opportunity to address the African youth and also advise, encourage them that we are strongly behind them. African youth on fire, Africa must work. Ghana youth on fire, Ghana must work. And at the moment, I would like to talk to all the youth in Africa that are already on the streets protesting their disappointment in our leaderships. We should continue to do it calmly, in peace. We don't need any violence anywhere. We all witnessed and saw how the government of Nigeria released shootings on our youth. Yes, still Nigerian youth, keep it calm. Don't respond to any violence. We are just telling them our displeasure, what we are not in agreement with. If they cannot change it for us, then they can. Actually, governance is a company. A country is a company. And every company owner or manager wants to see benefit, interest for his company. We employ these leaders. Anybody that is employed is being paid. We employ these leaders and pay them monthly salary for them to do our job for us. Now, they ignore the job we have assigned them, rather parading themselves to having people of authority and using the power we gave them to protect us to frustrate us. We, the youth of Ghana and Africa as a whole, will not sit down and watch this thing to continue. In Ghana particularly, for 64 years now, 6 March will be having 64 years, but yet still we are trading on nothing. We have nothing to talk about. Ghana is not poor, but rich. Ghana is the most richest country in the whole world. You want me to explain to you? Ghana is the most richest country in the whole world. One, Ghana is the center of the world. That is the first riches. The center of the whole world. Two, we have every single thing you may look for in the whole world right here in this country. We have bauxite, we have cocoa, we have diamond, we have everything right here in this country. We are not poor. We are rich. We are more than the word rich. And so if the country is not going on well, it means the managers we employed are not doing their job. And it is our responsibility to either accept them or to ignore them. We either accept them or to ignore them. When we bring this person, he come and repeat the same thing. We bring another one, he come and repeat the same thing. We will not sit down and watch them destroy our nation. Dr. Osagyefo Kwame Nkrumah, who have started it all, that help with the help of all other Ghanaians that love our land, that rescue our land and try to give us the peace we are all looking for. He established factories and they are in the bush right now. If you could not even create another factories for us to work in, you should have just at least managed the one he has created. But instead, all of them are collapsed. Go to any of those factories that are abandoned in the bush and say you are going to maintain it for yourself, to sell kokonte or charcoal. They will tell you it's a government property and they will leave it there to rot. We will not sit down and watch these people to continue to lump us like this. If any politicians come to us, the youth, for employment, when they come to us campaigning that we vote for them, they are calling us to employ them. And what they call manifesto, I call it maninufasta. They call it manifesto, I call it maninufasta. It means we, the people in this group of NPP or NDC, when you get into the government, manimisikano faster, senimame. That is why they are sharing the money and eating. When you and I want to insult them, we attack their family members included. Yesterday, I was live for one of the TV stations. And when I was picking up a call, one man called me and said he is a brother to the president, current president's wife. And he is suffering hunger. But when anybody wants to insult the president, they include them and insult all of them together. We are suffering. John Dramani Mahama, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, their excellencies. These people have gotten the privilege to witness their father when they were growing up. Their fathers were employed into these factories of Nkrumah. They work and take salaries and take care of them, send them outside, and they school and came back to this country, and then deciding to lead us. Now, they are leading us into nothing. Let me advise you, the youths of Ghana. 2020, I, as the president of the youth, have the right that we are not going out there to cast any votes. 2027 December, when that time comes, sleep. Stay back at home and sleep. We are not voting. This manifesto, the manifesto that you presented to us, what the youth need, we do not find one inside. The loan you have designed to give us, there is no guarantee for that loan, one. And even if we get the loan, you will squeeze us with your taxes and pressure us and loop everything from us and we will collapse. Then you say we have indebted the country. And then the white man will be making money out of us. And so long as you have not presented to us any measure to create any factory or to resume the condemned factories, then we are not casting a vote. That is one. Two, all the money you have borrowed, everybody know, you and I know, that if you sitting here, go out there to take a loan, you go and take the loan and invest it into something. You you do a business with the loan, make money with that particular loan, and pay the loan off with the money borrowed. You don't take loan and then use this anyhow without regarding the money out of the loan you have taken and leave it for someone else to pay. And then you continue to take loan, and we are not even seeing project out of the loan. Common sense will tell you that a good leadership is to feed the people that are working with you. A good leadership is to feed the people that are working with you. One, when I was young in our school, we have a school farmland, and at least every weekend or once in a week, either once or twice in a month, we all go to school and then go to school farms. And at the end of harvest, even the school teachers will provide us some of those food to send home. Today, do we have any school farm? Today, do we have any school farm anywhere? And then the country does not have a country warehouse for food. Any government that come in power, they say we have invested enough into our Greek and the food is not coming out. We are exporting food into other countries. How can you tell me that you are exporting food when we are not even getting one to eat? Okay, let us think about this. You are importing rices. In fact, kontombre kramo imported. Jende keke, you are importing them into this country. You are importing every single dime into this country, and you tell me you are exporting food. And you diania wedi amabi akasie and na wudi kokro fufuro so koton. And then you yeshwe bie dia yanya. Now what be catch say where are you exporting them? Where are you sending them? Yabre, we are tired. Everybody is crying. You come down there, squeeze us and carry our money and go and give to the white man outside there. How the white man will be rich is your interest, but your own very people in your house, you don't care about them. 2020, NDC and NPP, we are declaring to you, we are not voting. The NDC youth are angry, the NPP youth are angry, all the youth of Ghana, we are staying back. We will not vote. We are giving you just 7 days to rewrite your manifesto. Rewrite your manifesto. If it comes well in our favor, I will call it manifesto. For now, it's manifesto. And so therefore, rewrite it and tell us that when you come, the measures you are putting in place is not to give us loan. It's not to give us big push or whatever you call it. It is to create a farmland and employ us. Tell us that there is employment here in Akuse. There is employment here in Yendi. There is employment here for farming. And we will all come there and get employment to go into our farm, produce maize, cassava, and food in this country. Then we will now believe you that you are doing it. Number 2, tell us that our school curriculum, our school structure, you will break it down and form a good school in this country. You and I know, you, the journalists that are standing here, you and I know that the school we are going to, we attended is a waste of time. A total waste. We were back 2 years. Now the Nakoshe school. 25 years. And send our qualified so be bribiedi. Adia okusia on school porton fika unhu. You will never know. Or see me a science student, or see me a D&D student, nanso okohwehwe obi provision store na waton ade om. E bitu to brodo akwa ho. Yay! E bitu to brodo e wo kwan ho. Okay. Yenyina yenim se adesua from practice to work. Enyesa. We all know say adesua from practice to work. Yesheshe adesua wo Ghana ha, the only adesua I know, the only education that I know, tailor for, carpenter for, because from their school straight to working. John Dramani Mahama Bekasai or say when they come to power, they will establish apprenticeship. What is the difference between apprenticeship and schooling? Different ben home. No, brofukan kaibeni. Apprenticeship and schooling. What is the difference? So you are telling us say apprentice ye nipa. Say ye apprentice e okrom ha ye nipa. Ejuma enu momede duani bre nkrofo ano enu nye juma e apprenticeship, school dropout. Now school now omo dropping in no e dey no modeba. If you call us school dropouts, the one you call school drop in, what are they bringing? All those who have attended whatever schools has come out today and working for the so-called illiterate. In fact, some of you in the media today, you are working for someone who have never stepped in a classroom. How come? I didn't think that you should share sikafo okromu. I just say school dropouts and sikafo. Why? A time has come to change the school curriculum. We want practical education. Practical education. If you want us to be engineer, let us go straight to Kantanka and go and learn how to manufacture a car. This mobile phone that we all carry, obi kita screen taxi, no wa na baka kese say. A minister mo ni phone be 3, wa na baka say kona koshe China. Nkola omo primary 3, primary 2, omo no mo ye mobile phone. What are we producing? A whole university in this country is not producing anything. What kind of a country is this? Do we have leaders? As far as I am concerned, I have not seen any leader, because leaders will not leave his own people to suffer hunger. If you go outside there, go to America, go to UK, go to China, Japan, they are protecting the interests of their citizens. Say a kuru keke mpompo keke ye obia a omanyi na betu egu ni so pagya ne America grigiri akọ say ye kohwe ne yare omu be triti ni kama ma ne ho atọ no bagana ha miane kon kunuma mimra ho. That is subai fi subai kankan ye kita wa ha. Who teach us? These so-called politicers, politifers, wonumu and this subai fi be kurumu ha. Obroni ukoji loan ni nchen ya na waka kire say loan amede mawi fako. I am not talking against anybody. I'm waking those who are sleeping up. I am waking those who are sleeping up. If you don't know what is leadership, come to your drawing board. Let us teach you how to lead us, how to give us food to eat, and how to sew our dresses. It's not as if they don't know. Do you know why? When coronavirus of a case came, within 2 weeks, within 1 week, Akufo-Addo, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, was able to set up a nose mask factory. Am I lying? He was able to set up a nose mask factory within 2 weeks. And all of a sudden, this whole country was full up with nose masks. Enti atadia yebe share factory won't mean see. Okay, something like this structure, just give us a structure. Na ka kire tailor for mo krom say, me bie structure bia to ama mo. Mo betina tina ase. Mo tina structure na sina mo pompa matade, I will supply you materials. Mo pam wi a me ameto na metua mo 111 cedi for each dress. Enkanya employment na wa create no. Enkaya nya yankasa yatare enhye okrom ha. Na chese omu nimpa ni omba ya ma yebe me, yebe nye juma ye anya matili salary ahwe ye yire ne yemma. Na so wonye etuo nsuo tuo, light tuo, mobile phone tuo. Uto credit ya ne ate ne hwen. Uko Nigeria keke, Togo haya, you can buy credit and use it for so many days. It will not get finished. Ghana, if you buy 1 CD, if you buy 100 CD credit, put the phone down. Don't use it at all. Before daybreak, the credit will finish. Call the office and ask them. They'll tell you use it on the internet. Adey, abroni beye benye, etremode benye. Why are you killing your own people? For the white men. Why? Enough is enough. Now, we the youth of Ghana have risen up. Yen sorry ni mo chi nye ye ni bio. And Ghana youth muntie mi. Eya no mo ba mo ncha be ka kire mo say it is a mandatory. Na che say your share say Ghana ni bia nkoto aba. Ne wedi 18 years. Emra share. Emra a share say obia nkoto aba eyentro. Obia everybody is at the position of his right. You choose to exercise your right, you choose to leave it behind. It's your choice. It's your right. And so, NDC on its own as a party, sir, chairman, secretary, they cannot win election. 50 plus 1 vote, they can never win if we are not included. What I say? NPP as a party can never win 50 plus 1 vote if we, the youth, has no vote. So this year, they will do runoff, 1,000 times runoff, and nobody will win. The seat will be idle, and we will allow the Chief Justice to handle it for us. As for them, they cannot go for loan on our head. Anybody that wants to lead this country from today, we expect you to come and express maturity. A mature manager is the one that invests into his people, not to borrow on his people. We believe so much in Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia 2016 when he came out and said the reckless borrowing of that government at that time. And without borrowing, we can grow our country. All of a sudden, Mumma Danini reckless borrowing. Reckless borrowing. Because that is the only thing. Everybody is now going into politics. Why? Because that is where to loop money. Why? We will not sit down and watch this happen again. I hereby direct all the youth of Ghana, including you, the medias. You are all youths. The future belongs to you. These people, they are tired. They are about to fall out. I am not wishing them dead, but I am telling you that these people knows that they don't have much time to live. So they don't care whatever they do and what it costs you. The last time, MPB Ayakochino, Ekunu, only one MP, Miboa. Womu de America, ako chuchi police for kakra omuda yechi. Ako map MP for so mukobo omuhubai. The MPs are very, very important to them. The MPs are very, very important to them. So they gave them the necessary security. But we, the citizens, they don't care about us. Anano, in Sobi Pitiye, Ewotem, Ashamai, Atadeka, Eko downtown bridge in Isoha. In so name Munda Ekasie, I say in so beto. And Esha say pity. Me gidi pa se omu bie dam na ewo honom no. Ye bie dam no say omu bie yo say pai you, I can't really tell, but I believe they opened the dam because weather not deceive you one. Omu fi say nsuo beto, omu bie tuma na yaka say nsuo na to afa nkrofo, like they've been announcing since. Obroni nyesa. I have videos of the fraud. Say ni nsuo fa nipa da se ni containers, nkrofo ewo omu ka mu na nsuo di wo mo ko. Fili wo mani so cow eye nantwe nkrofo de nso di kosa. If you want to open dam anya ni papa ni se mo be announcement aka kire mo nkrofo se mo fi honum area no na ye be bie nsuo so that people will be aware nsuo to na mo bie afem na mo kunku nkrofo. What the hell is going on in this country? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. The youth of Ghana, we are not voting 2020 December 7. We have given you 7 days to rewrite your manifesto. If you come back and present to us this clear manifesto that we are requesting for. 1, establish possible factory, in fact, mini factories. All the MPs of Ghana can establish dress-making factory, shoe-making factory, maize plantation farms, cassava plantation farms, rice plantation farms, and advertise those things to us. Let us buy made in Ghana products. And yamu failure say MP moi o soro be shatari akọ parliament akọ kasa ma yenga. Now wa share a suit tin ayere wo kon wo makote na wo yo abaka na brofo hwe na omo sere. Because obroni bi eni ho be hye kente. Obroni bi eni ho be frantuma. Na yesere mo. Obroni ne kura hu se mumfa mutiri nya adwuma. I'm not insulting you, I'm trying to spell out what is happening to you. Because they can trick you and you buy it. Now, who is an MP? An MP, obia community no yapa. Akachire ne se kona ko jinemu maye. Kona ko kasa kire nkrofo ne se ye hia ekwan, ye hia nsuo. Ye school ye hia bi wa ha, hospital ye hia bi. Na kire say ye elect wie a every season na mo be call parliament, you need to come and meet us. Na bisa say mo akoma so apede ni say na ya kan kire no akokan. And any law that should be passed in the parliament as a senka mo de be kire ye nga ya soma mo. So ye pese ye mra say you mo hu ni sen na ya ka say ai ya je atum another be yentu. We de yenya pam a nia mo pena mo akoye law a ebema mo chinchim yensa. Enti obi aba ni ministers be 1,000. Woni mienti a mo create ministerial offices no to loop money. Because ministers no so a sika no mba wia no enoso. But ministers no doso a ye chiche bia ma we ye $2 million ema this ministry to whatever $1 million na so month ni wie na omo be say antifo frama om no, you will not see the value of the money. Ebeya nwanwa say yes so many $1 million ye dey see toilet. Ebeya nwanwa say so many $1 million ye dey see gata. And ye kwan nyina tutu okurom ha. Ekwan a onim say oya within 1 year be tutu nso obeye. Why don't you do the good one at once? I didn't know onye papa ne pre. Ghana youth, we are on fire. Ye ni abre. Ekomdi ya che. A hungry man is an angry man. A hungry man is an angry man. We are not fighting anybody. We are not coming after you with any. If you like, come after us with your guns. We will not come out and vote. If you like, send the soldiers as you've been sending. We will not come out and vote. We are not voting. 2020, Ghana youth, we are not voting. Finally, to all the youth in Africa, we are not in for violence. We are the future leaders. And if we are the future leaders, then we are starting the foundation from now. If we leave them, the white men will come back and take us for slavery again. They will come back and take us for slavery again, of which all of us do not like. Or do you want to be a slave? Do you want to be a slave? We do not want to go back to slavery. And I am telling all the white men that are giving loan to these our leaders, we are not the ones sending them. They are doing it at their risk. So So don't come and crucify us that our whatever has come for loan for whatever. We do not give out our bauxite. We do not give out our gold. We do not give out our fuel. We do not give out anything. From now, if they come to you for a loan, ask them to go back to their people, the youth, and ask them if they agree with them or not before you grant any loan. This is our desire and what we want for the growth of Africa. By 2030, Ghana is better than Dubai. Africa is better than Dubai. Ghana must work. If we give them 4 years, before we finish the 4 years, we'll all die of hunger. And so if the election should be postponed to the next 4 years without president, we like it like that. It's not too late. It is never too late. I am not also asking only the major parties, all of them that wanted to be a president of this country. What you can do for us, one, is to go back and write what we want. The NDC called their own People's Manifesto. Which people? Who did they consult? Did they come to you? Did you tell them what you want? They just went and gather themselves somewhere, plan on how to loop our mind and come and take our money. These politicers are trying to trick our head, and they are calling us fools. Today, go outside there. Go and look for all the ministers and all the MPs. Their children, where are they? They are outside, schooling outside, which means they know the school that they have designed here in Ghana, it is not a good one. And so they send their children to go and learn from the good one, and whilst we are with the bad one. You see, so if it is too late, then they should go and bring down their children. Let them come here and vote for them. We will not vote.
Have you gone through, the NDC, the manifesto, the NDC manifesto, of which you think that maybe nothing in their manifesto, you think if implemented will benefit the youth, of which that you are calling this press conference, you are asking the youth not to vote coming December 7th?
Yes. If your children are hungry in your house, first thing you give them is food. You don't care where you are going to get it, whether it's a good food or not, isn't it? You don't leave the food behind and be telling them, let me bath you first. Let me get you a fine dress. Let me finish the building. Before you give me food, what if by the time you finish and I die? So all that they have written is secondary matter. We don't need them now. We want food. We want food now. Let us eat our own food. The too much Indomie, the too much fried rice, the too much whatever pizza or whatever that are giving us chronic diseases. We don't want them any longer. What we need now is jobs. Physical jobs. Not spiritual ones. Not pocket jobs. Physical jobs.
Yes, sir. My name is Bella with Adon Benson.
Okay.
How do you say that the NDC and NPP are angry with the leaders whilst you see them campaigning?
You say, how do I say that?
Why are you saying they are angry? Because you see most of them on the campaign.
Okay, write it for me.
So the next question.
Please, Patience from Vision 1. My questions are in two folds. The first question is, in 2016, December 7th, we went to vote and we voted for NPP, which is our president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. I want to know, in Ghana, which of the youth vote for you? Because when we go on, they will definitely ask, how did he become the youth president?
I have started this journey long ago, since August last year. Ghana Youth on Fire on other social medias, and we've been listening to the youth. They are angry. In fact, today, if you see me on any show now, it's not even only the youth that are calling. The old men, the old women are coming out. People are calling me every day, crying on my head. You see, so I advise them. I showed a video yesterday. I wish we would have projected some pictures for you to see how politicians are sharing money. I told them, go and take the money. The money is yours. The money is your money, and they are sharing it. Take it. These people are killing our youth, and I don't want to see even one soul died. The last time I was playing another video where they were macheting one another. And you see these politicians empowering them, gingering them, telling them, go in, go and fight. Some of them bought new machetes and give to the youth, go and fight. And so I told them, nobody should go out and fight. Nobody. If they call you, just go. Collect what they are giving you, go and sleep. Nobody's case will work on you. It is your own money. Now, coming to the take of the election. So, madam, I think I've answered your question. The reason why you see them following them is because we are allowed to follow them. Take the money. They are fooling us, so we also need to fool them. Take the money. When it reach the day of election, go and sleep. Same you are no. Okay, coming to who elected me as a youth president. Ghanaian youth elected me. Not by voting, but by requesting. I started this show, and we don't have anybody to speak for us. Anybody that come out, he's been bribed by one way or the other, being bought by one party or another. Along the way, people have started so many times, and they could not reach anywhere. Why? Because they are buying them with money. And so if I am sure that I cannot be bought, then I should stand in for them. Every day the request is there. That is how come I chose to lead. And moreover, making this decision, it is not me that was deciding. It is the people that are calling for it. I've told you already that I'm already on medias. And so if you want to witness, go to YouTube, type Ghana Youth on Fire, and see the videos. Listen to the calls, the desires of the people every single day. Different category of people are calling. And then their demand from Ashanti, the whole country, from Ashanti to Volta, Eastern, Northern, everywhere, everybody is complaining. If not because of the restriction the government give. Like we decided to make it a youth ambassadors meeting. So that you see all that are representing Ghana Youth on Fire across the nation. Right here. Then you will understand that youth, you need prepare. But at the right time, we will all meet and you realize that the youth are angry. We are hungry. We are suffering for nothing. We are not in for presidency or anything. We are just here to push the politicers to become politicians. We are here to push them to do the right thing. If you note, since we started, I will start with coronavirus. When it came and the announcement came, I try as much as possible to advise people to hide themselves and keep themselves safe. The youth responded. I love the response. And then all of a sudden, when the Anchor guy came with the technology, I was the guy who actually tried to question the president. In the following week, he came on board, giving him appointment. Even that one is a question mark. We called on them on Suhum interchange that has been completed and is blocked. We are not getting access to the following day. So it's like when we push them, they go and do the corrections. So we know they will correct their errors. That is why we are calling on them to go back to their drawing board and rewrite their manifestos. Now, the second question. All these 12 candidates, as far as I am concerned, I've only witnessed, two people's manifesto, NDC and MPP. Did you hear any other person that came out with manifesto? No, did you hear any other person? I didn't hear. It means their manifesto is their CV. CV presenting for your employment. How can you come for employment without CV? So it means as for them, they are disqualified already. It is those who present their CV that are qualified. After all, these ones that present their CV are not yet qualified. We have not seen them. In fact, you are a dress designer. And then somebody is a shoemaker. Came to you to get employment. Not to learn, to get employment and work for you. Will you employ such a person without CV cry? Will you employ him? Because you don't trust his experience. You believe you don't know whether he's coming to cause damages or coming to fix it. Just like NDC has been causing damages to this country since. Just like NPP has been causing damages to this country since. Let us all come to one agreement here. Look at it. After JJ Rawlings, as for JJ, I don't want to call him president. Do you know why? He thought his people were suffering, so he's a soldier just coming to separate a fight. So me, I don't want to look at him as a president because I don't know if you understand me. Kufuor came and then started intervention program B, started building affordable house that people were sleeping on the street. Where is those houses? They are still in the bush. Is it not our money? No, your company, the station you work for. Yay. Will they start any project under one manager? And because that manager is no more, another manager that take over will not complete the project. Will they? You now understand. So these people are not qualified. NDC, NPP, John Mahama, Akufo-Addo, they are not qualified. They have already shown more than enough. Their working experience shows that they are failures. They fail our nation. And we cannot experience to let them lead us to our graves. We are dying enough already. Yeah, the flood at Ashaiman, 17 people died. Up to now, John Mahama did not talk about it. Nana Addo did not talk about it. But when the MP was killed, so they are more important than us, isn't it? President Nibane no he has saying, yay. One more China, almost the brain in Diwaha. Are they better than us? And now almost your Nuima, almost your Nadia, are they not human beings? So you'll be providing job for Chinese people outside there, providing job for Americans outside there, and you are leaving us to suffer hunger here. We will not agree. 2020, we are not voting. And then I want to say, all the pastors that have been called into leadership to lead people, and you abandon the people that I don't want to do politics. You are the most wicked man on earth. I'm telling you, you are the most wicked, the most killer, the most armed robber on earth. Because your assignment is to ensure that we eat well, we sleep well, and then we escape sicknesses. That is your job. That's the job God has given you. Your church members, are they not Ghanaian? When the lockdown came, are they not affected? When the hunger came, are they not affected? Are they? And you, the journalists that do not know your jobs, me, I'm not afraid of anybody's face. I'm telling it to your face. You, the journalists that do not know your job, you are afraid to do your job. Your job is share naka. See it and say it. Say it as it is. Say John Mahama bo krono a ka kire yen say wa wia yesika eye krono. Every krono be krono. Every krono it be krono. Enti nipa na ya de boni a brabo enti beka order from above. Why you order from above? Why na your friend order from above? We gave you a job. We did not give you power. Tell the politicians so. We gave them a job. They should look at the job and work for us. They are our servants, our workers, not our masters, not our penny, kasatia penny. We are not talking against any penny. We are talking to our servants, our workers. They better regard themselves as workers and work for us, work for our interests. Akufo-Addo, obetumi aye, but why na adwin say onye? We all saw it. Edu critical no, one who say obetumi aye bia kire say they are capable, but they just don't want to do it. And niema ye youth no ye hwehwe, ye hia. Chro e dia be kire na say ye pene so say no na ye ma yen dia ye beje atum akoto aba because ye nyi ntuma ni ye nti ye ho asenti enti na omo ka se kejagum na yin na ye demirika na ye de tuo ni krante e bobo ye ho. I don't want to see me person me hu say youth bia e be sakamu biom obi abe pre biom me person ye be ku obi a okromo ha biom when they are killing the youth eya me ya e hyehye me because on man bia bon ono an nkrofo hu ban. And yes, I say, young presidents in so no one boy, young who buy. Now, so much human so young, my idea, and the young so young to Abba.
What's the more?
Young 7 days. 7 days. So, woman go back to Omu drawing board. Now, one church or near my yepe, and Yama mope, some obey Yamayan. Where Juma Ra and a chiro near ye, Emma no, a Juma as a Jumayeni. And near Dikai. Yepe farms, national farms across the nation. Every district you own a farmland. Number 2, yepe shoe factories. We want to produce our own shoes in this country and where. Yempese yebebo niama kese so for now. Niama kitinkiti bia na 3 atade At the palm factory, let us sew our own boxer shorts. Your palm, your boxer, your pants, your brazier, your singlet, your long sleeve, your lacoste. Your palm be beer okromaha. And your torso, and near yedi, it should be done from this country. And draw your peka makeup and rubia okromohabium. Herbal medicines are the natural, matured medicines for treatment. Say, who said Niama will manifesto anymore. Maminja way into education structure. Tell any students. And men can't trace apprenticeship. And school structure never harder than Munguni na. And I want to advise the whole public. Ghana phone now. Say see ewe, siya chi, siya gandangbi. These are the 3 popular languages in this country so far. The rest are there. We are learning Ghanaian languages, but these 3 are the most popular languages so far. Yensuya Ghana kasa. Na munjai brofo. Na yenjai brofo. So from today, the education system should be changed completely. Almost sa niyama na omu chere wo classroom no yenjai. Na yensuya practical. Ade bi omu pese omu chere yembia omu fa yenko field ne so and go and work inside the factory. Anya sa 7th December, yento aba. And say we youth now with emia. So omu ye dede ba wo area di omu echi. Kona kobo won dede. Ji omu sika na di sika ne yendia. Ye huhu sika nkrofo printi. Egu abrochi omu shipi yaba kromu ha. No videos meant to me the amamo mu bisamia. Abrabo be si ye baako. And say obe kachere timamuni say sa amanyonfo ye di omu atu 3 ho so omu lead no. They are misleading us. Omu wiayen enti jayabato. Enti osofo obetumi edi president. A obetumi abu oman ne nukuredie mu ama na ye omu nya no. Omu ya kronfo. Omu ya businessmen. Omu ya sikapefo. Omu nya nyame nipa. Nyame nimu. Nti se oyo osofo na wonfa wanu nkasa asemi mu enje yen enti se ye beti na ho ma oma miamia yakun ye okrom ade a wonya osofo enu sa ansu koma journalist for ejuma bia wo ne profession se wo kosua journalism a asekire ne se kona ko hunaka enya asekire ne se kotie politician na me kokan ye beche me na me kokan ye beka se ma yeyi na adenti na wo journalism school no ade na wo ye wo school honum why did you go to that school? If you are afraid, say politician who can no krena obechiwa, and they go to Sunday school. Go to Sunday school. Naja journalism no. Munya mwechuma. Munyina mun sorry yanka sempano. Let us correct our land. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. The nation demand for your devotion. Let us all unite to uphold it. Yan sorry awan ebe sorry. Na yenyina ya deda na nyama to sin say 64 years. Can you imagine?